Want to block content on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to block content on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Instagram on your device. After that, click on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. Now search for hidden words. Click on Hidden Words button. Tap on the Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Then enter the type of content that you want to block. Click on the Add button. Now the content related to that keyword will not be shown on your Instagram page. And that's how you can block content on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.